Introduction of DPP 260K high-speed blister packing machine. The machine adopts frequency conversion, speed regulation and optomechatronics control technology, and has been innovated and reformed in strict accordance with the GMP requirements of the pharmaceutical industry. It is the most ideal packing equipment for large and medium-sized pharmaceutical industry, healthcare products and food industry because of its advanced functions, simple operation and high output. Performance and characteristics of DPP 260K high-speed blister packing machine. It adopts top-brand PLC controller with touchscreen displayed in Chinese and English, frequency inverter for speed control, servo traction, which can ensure the length of blister traction adjustable within the range. With function of thermal temperature control and testing, main machine overload protection, PVC and PTP packing materials positioning testing, material feeding and positioning testing, automatic fault diagnosis alarm indication, automatic power off protection. The machine station module type design of level frame, good sight, safe and convenient operation. Thermal with contact type, positive press formed, air cushion thermal seal upper and lower net, photo register make your product package better. The special design of molds in rectangle shape, ladder type fixing, provide much convenience and easy to replace molds. All material contact parts adopt high quality stainless steel and aluminum metal, slap up surface treatment craft. Discharging finished product in right order, automatic collection of bad products, auto rewinding of strap material to ensure easy collection. The machine has been designed into separated body, which is easy to move into lifts or workshops. Main technical parameters of DPP 260K high-speed blister packing machine. Punching frequency, aluminum plastic, 20 to 80 times per minute. Aluminum, 15 to 30 times per minute. Maximum forming depth, aluminum plastic, 25 millimeters. Aluminum, 18 millimeters, adjustable scope of travel, 30 to 120 millimeters, compressed air pressure, 0.6 to 0.8 megapascal. Air consumption, 0.25 to 0.5 cubic meters per minute.